Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of S class Pathshala. Today we will solve a nice Olympiad algebra. Here given that 8x square into x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. We find out the value of x. So start. We multiply this 8x cube plus 8x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here will be a square, and now we can write 2x all cube plus 2x all cube into 2 into 4 x square, here minus 1 equal to 0, and 2x all cube plus 2 into 2x all square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let 2x is equal to y. Okay, now we can write here y cube plus 2 y square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we write here y cube plus 1 plus 2 y square minus 2 equal to 0. Here is 1, and we write here y cube plus 1, so 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, and here we use a formula a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b, and we write here y plus 1 and y square minus y plus 1, and here we common 2 y square minus 1 equal to 0. We write y square minus y plus 1 plus, here we use a formula b square minus a square into a square minus b square plus b into a minus b. So we can write y plus 1 y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and y plus 1 and y plus 1 is common. Y plus 1 and y square minus y plus 1 plus 2y minus 2. Okay, we multiply by 2, y is equal to 2y, and 2 and minus 1 multiply is minus 2. Okay, and y plus 1, here we can write y square plus y minus 1. Okay, now we can write y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and y equal to minus 1, and we have laid the y equal to 2x, so we use 2x is equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a solution of this equation. So we next we write here or y square plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Here we use a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to b is equal to 1. So here minus 1 plus minus root over b square into 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. Okay, now we can write here equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus minus root over 5 by 2. So the solution here we can write y is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 5 by 2. Here y is 2x minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So x equal to minus 1 plus minus root over by 2 into 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 5 by 4. Here the solution of this equation, two solutions here, plus given we have, if we have a plus is one solution and minus is two solutions, and here x equal to minus a solution. Okay guys, thank you.